Good morning everyone, so continuing on with the Kuala Lumpur vlog. This morning we are doing a half-day city tour and we're currently at Istana Negara, which is the royal palace here in Kuala Lumpur. It was quite a rainy start to the morning, but the sun has come out now and this is the first stop on the tour. I did come here in 2019, so I do recognise it. But it's going to be cool to take some photos of my family and to look around once again. So yeah, insert some B-roll here of the beautiful royal palace. The Istana Negara, or otherwise known as the Royal Palace, is the official residence of the Monarch of Malaysia. It's located in northwestern Kuala Lumpur, and the palace complex has an area of 97.65 hectares. So stop number 2 and somewhere else that I visited here in 2019 is the War Memorial. So they're commemorating from 1914 to 1918, 1939 to 1945, so the First and Second World Wars, and also 1948 to 1960. So as you can see behind me, this is the memorial, and yeah, just going to walk around, see if there's some information. I don't think there's too much, not like a museum or anything, but there should be some signs with some more information, so I'll let you know. The Tugu Negara, or otherwise known as the National Monument, commemorates those who died in Malaysia's struggle for freedom. It's the world's tallest bronze freestanding sculpture grouping. So although we're not going inside, the next stop is the mosque here in Kuala Lumpur, or one of many mosques. One that I actually visited here in 2019. And what an incredible experience it was. I think it was one of my first mosques that I'd ever been in. I think I'd been in the Mezquita, so the mosque in Cordoba in southern Spain, but I'd never been to a mosque in Asia before. So it was an incredible experience, and we wore the abayas, like a purple abaya, and I remember having a photo taken with all of my group. And I believe it's one of the largest mosques in all of Kuala Lumpur. So if you're in the city, I'd highly recommend visiting, as it's such an important and incredible experience. And as you know, as I always say on these videos, I'm always interested in the religion, culture, history, way of life, language of wherever I'm visiting. So it's a really important part of the city. So yeah, I'd highly recommend visiting. The National Mosque of Malaysia has a capacity for 15,000 people and was completed in 1965. Its unique modern design embodies a contemporary expression of traditional Islamic art, calligraphy and ornamentation. So the I Love KL sign just over there was somewhere where we actually all got a group photo on my G Adventures tour in 2019. I know I keep mentioning that I came here in 2019, but I had the best time. So it's just been amazing to revisit some of the places that that we went to, and to be here with my family and to take new photos and to obviously capture it all for the vlog as well. So the next stop is something called the River of Life, and then there's also another mosque as well. As you can see behind me, it looks absolutely beautiful. I just think mosques are so beautiful, and I mean my favourite, the most special memory that I'll have from being in a mosque will always be the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, but I always love visiting new mosques and new religious buildings whenever I travel, so this is particularly special and it looks incredible.
So the wax, we hold it inside this pan and then we draw it all over. So you can see the colors of the wax is the silver one and the gold color.
So we're now in a chocolate factory and I'm trying the famous chocolate durian. This is the most famous fruit in Asia. It smells disgusting but tastes amazing apparently. I've never tried it. Nah. I don't like that. So the final stop on the city tour is the Petronas Twin Towers, which I would say are the postcard image of Kuala Lumpur. As you can see behind me, they are huge. They are so tall, and once again, bringing it back to 2019, I've got so many photos here with my friends, so it's really cool to be back here. It's like major deja vu. But yeah, I'm just going to take some photos with the family, take some footage so I can post like reels and TikToks, because this is like such a cool place to take some good content, get some B-roll for the vlog, and then we're heading back to the hotel. We're going to then grab some lunch and then head to the Batu caves this afternoon. So this afternoon we are exploring the Batu caves and we've just arrived. We've got a grab from the hotel which cost 28 Malaysian... This is calling me out here. I don't know what the currency is called. Anyway, it was around £5 or just over. And we're now here and I forgot. I knew the colourful steps were here and I was really looking forward to seeing them, but I forgot that you actually have to walk from the bottom all the way up to the top and it's incredibly steep. So it's going to be a tough one, but it's well worth it for the views at the top. From what I remember, it was incredible. So we've just reached the top of the Batu caves and it was an interesting walk up. I'm navigating not only hundreds of meters of uphill steps, but also all the monkeys as well, and I'm terrified of monkeys, and one of them actually stole a bag from a lady and basically took all her possessions in there. She was left with 2 t-shirts, but they took everything else. So yeah, that thankfully happened when we were at the top of all the steps, so we didn't have to worry about that. But we're now exploring the caves themselves. When I was here in 2019, I didn't actually get to explore the caves, so I'm excited to do so this time. It's very hot. I'm still exhausted from the climb up to the top, but I'm very excited to explore the caves. So I haven't filmed too much this evening, but we did just go out for a delicious dinner to a Sri Lankan restaurant. I will leave, I'll leave in the description the name of the restaurant we went to. I would definitely recommend it. But we're having an early night tonight as we're catching the train to Penang tomorrow morning at 7 AM. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you have all enjoyed this Kuala Lumpur travel guide. If you have, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.